Hey guys, welcome to BIKER Diaries. I'm NIKHIL from Bengaluru.
A new moto vlogger in town. I'm totally geared up right now. I've chose this location, nice road. So I'll be doing moto vlogging about daily observations, rides, places or anything I feel interesting. So let's ride guys.
Stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. Too many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're for real. Like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking.
So let me introduce myself clearly. I'm NIKHIL. Been staying in Hoskote for 15 years, after which I've shifted to Bangalore, and it's been almost 6 years I've been staying in Bangalore. Completed my engineering this year, and I got this motovlogging thing onto my head after checking out other motovloggers in India. My inspiration, BIKER NIKHIL. So I used to look at his videos. I used to like that idea of recording to places you go, making rides, doing daily observations, giving reviews about places, etc. I actually got a hang of it. That's when I started to plan. Coming to my riding experience, this is my first bike, geared bike. My first one was a moped, TVS Vigo. I've been riding that from past 4-5 years. This is my first geared bike, and I must say I'm pretty attached to it, being my first bike, and for the power it offers me, and the comfort and the upright riding position. I am in a motorcycle club consisting of Dukes, Duke 390s, Kawasaki Ninja 300 and RS 200. The motorcycle club name is Krakens MC. You can find it on Facebook, KRAKENS MC. And I'm the youngest one in that group. So let me just give you a slight glimpse of my bike.
Too much. Help me. I've been thinking thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, 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 oh. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time.
So guys, this will be my first video on YouTube. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestions, please do let me know. Please do comment below. Hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe.